Hello everyone. Today we will see the overtime calculation process in Mark HR Expert payroll software. So let's understand what is OT, means overtime. So if an employee does an extra work after office hours, so a company pays extra amount of that overtime, which is called as OT. Along with it, this vary company to company that on which basis they want to calculate OT. And in Mark HR Expert payroll software, OT calculation can be done in 4 ways: grade wise, overtime formula master, employee rate wise, and variable head. So firstly we will see grade wise calculation. For this, firstly go to masters, then to employee grade, and then select grade name. So as for now, we select grade A here. And if you want to create grade, then simply click on add and can create grade name. After this, you will go to masters, then to head of income deduction, then select grade and then will edit. And here we will define salary structure. Now as we will see, here is an OT column. And now from here, you will click on whichever head, your OT will be calculated on that head. Like as you will click on basic head, then your OT will be calculated on basic. Similarly, if we'll click on HRA as well, so now OT will be calculated on basic plus HRA. So in this way, tick on that head on whichever you want to calculate OT. So for now, we'll tick here on basic. After this, you will set grade wise overtime formula from here. Like here is wages rate, means on which OT gets calculated. Now as any of the organization gives 1.5 times OT or some of gives 2.5 times OT. So if you want to give 1.5 times OT, so for this you will enter 3 by 2. And if it is 2.5, for that enter 5 by 2. And by default here it is 1. It means OT will get calculated with whole value. After this, there are some formulas on which basis you can calculate OT. Total number of days in month multiply by total working hours in month. Total number of days in month multiply by working hours assigned to employee. Total number of working days multiply by total working hours in month. Total number of working days multiply by working hours assigned to employee. So we will see first formula. Total number of days in month multiply by total working hours in month. Total number of days in month means the number of total days in particular month. And here total working hours in month means how many total working hours are there in particular month. Now suppose we'll understand through it an example. Like this is a salary structure of an employee, and here we are calculating OT on the basic salary because we have already selected that OT should get calculated on the basic. So we will put the formula basic salary divided by total number of days in month and multiplied by total working hours in month. So suppose basic salary is 12,500. Then is total number of days in month. Suppose here we are calculating the salary of May month. So total days are 31 multiplied by total working hours in month. Suppose if in per day there are 8 working hours, then according to May month, total working hours will be 248. So now you will see overtime rate is 1.62. So software will calculate formula in this way. After this, we'll come to the software. Do OK and we'll save it. Then go to masters, then to employee master. Then come to the record of that grade of employee to whom you want to give OT. Then we'll edit. Click on salary structure tab and tick on OT applicable and then save it. After this, come to manual attendance. Select grade and month and then show. Then on which employee OT was applicable, select that and press F10 key. So now you will see OT rate is here after calculating. Similarly, we will see the next formula. Total number of working days into working hours assigned to employee. Now we will understand it through an example. Here we are calculating OT on basic salary. So we will put the formula basic salary divided by total number of working days and multiplied by working hours assigned to employee. So suppose basic salary is 12,500. Total number of working days means how many total days are there in particular month. So here as well, we are calculating the salary of month May, then total days are 26. And working hours assigned to employee means how many working hours are assigned to an employee. So suppose an employee is assigned with total 8 working hours. So now you will see overtime rate is 60.09. So software will calculate the formula in this way. After this, we will come to the software, come to the manual attendance. Select an employee and press F10. So you will see OT rate is here after calculating. And similarly, on the basis of other formulas, you can calculate OT. After this, let's see next OT calculation, overtime formula master. In overtime formula master, you can set employee wise formula, that on which base of formula you want to give OT to which employee. Because some employees comes under upper category and some are into lower category. So if an organization wants to give OT and employee category wise, for that they make separate formulas to sort that which formula will be applied on which employee. So let's see its process in payroll software. For this, you will go to masters, then to overtime formula master. Then whatever name you want to give to overtime formula, you can specify that name here and do OK. After this, as you had set formula in grade wise, similarly select formula here and then save it. So in this way you will set multiple formulas here. Now we will see how you will set different OT on different employees. So firstly you will come to employee master, to which employee you want to give OT. Come to the record of that employee and click on salary structure. Then we'll edit. Then come to OT rate formula. So the formulas you have created, those will be shown here. And now select that formula, whichever you want to select, and then save it. After this, when you will generate salary from manual attendance, and now press F10 on the record of that employee to whom OT has been allotted. So you can see OT rate has been shown. So in this way, whichever formula you will select, according to that OT rate will be changed here. So in this way, you can set employee wise formula through overtime formula master. After this, let's see employee rate wise OT calculation. In employee rate wise, you can set manually that how much OT you want to give to which employee. For this, come to employee master. Then come to the record of that employee to whom you want to give OT. Then click on salary structure and then edit. And now you will enter that amount of OT in OT rate formula field, which you want to give to this employee, and then save it. After this, come to the record of that employee to which OT has been given. So you will see OT rate has been shown to you. So as we have set OT rate for this employee, and along with it, we will set that for how many hours you want to give OT. Then suppose here we will enter 5 hours. Now you will see its OT amount has been calculated and it is 500. So in this way you can calculate OT through employee rate wise. After this, we will see variable head OT calculation. Firstly, we will understand what is variable head. If you don't want to show fixed to any income head, then in that case, you can make that head as variable head. OT is not our fixed amount. That's why we can make OT as variable head. So now we will see that how you can make particular head as variable head. For this, go to masters, then to income and deduction head, select grade and then do edit. Then click on add delete head. Then mention number of income heads and do OK. Now we will type head name to which you want to make variable head. So for example, we will type here OT type and we will click on checkbox and make it variable head. Along with it, if you want to deduct ESI, PF on OT, then tick here on checkboxes. After this, select overtime from income type, and as you will select OT here, then not applicable will be shown here because this is variable head. And now we will save it. After this, if you will come to employee master, then to salary structure. So you will see here only fixed heads are shown. Variable heads are not shown here. Variable head are shown in salary calculation. After this, we will import attendance. For this, go to data entry, then to attendance entry, then import or modify attendance from machine. Then select grade, period. We'll click on change and select file. Then we'll show it. So you will see its punch in and punch out time with OT that is shown here. After this, we will save overtime entry of employees, for which we will go to data entry, then to overtime entry. Then select grade and month and then we'll show. So here basic salary, OT hours, rate and OT amount of employees will be shown to you. Now we will save it. After this, you will go to salary calculation and do reprocess and then save it. Then if you want to see OT amount in salary calculation, so for it, go to salary calculation again and press F10 key. So you will see OT amount is shown here in salary. After this, we will do reprocess. Then click on salary slip. Then select month, grade, branch and department. After this, if you want to give salary slip with overtime, then tick on overtime amount. And if you don't want to give, then let it be untick and do show. Then select an employee and display it. So a salary slip will be shown to you here with overtime. After this, if you want to view salary register with OT, for this go to reports, then to monthly reports and then salary register, or click on salary register from right side. Then select month, grade, branch, division and department. Then select overtime amount and do display. So an OT amount will be shown to you here. Similarly, if you want to view monthly attendance detail, then go to reports, then to employees reports and then go to monthly attendance detail. Select grade, month, branch and department. Then select format that you want to view report in detailed or in summary. And then select an employee and then display. So details of employee with OT will be shown in the report. If you want to view OT report separately, then go to reports, then to monthly reports and then to overtime report. Then select month, grade, branch, division and department and will display. So friends, in this video we have seen the process of overtime calculation in Mark HR Expert payroll software. Thanks for watching.